Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, then it's a pleasure as always to have you here. So today's recipe here is actually for tiger nut lovers, those who enjoy the fresh tiger nuts. I hope this will come as a lifesaver, because after I learned how to do it like this, I hardly buy fresh tiger nuts outside, because at the end of the day I feel like I don't get my money's worth. So you're going to get some dried tiger nuts. You're going to pour them into a bowl of water, clean water please, and then you're going to wash it to remove every impurity. Oftentimes you'll find the dirt floating at the top, so all you have to do is take it out, then wash it, give it a good rinse. Then you transfer the content of the bowl, that is the good one, into a clean container. I used a takeaway, a plastic container, because I was going to cover it and it's just convenient. So you're going to turn all of that into the container, and you're going to add some clean water as well. Please, like I said, ensure that the water that you use is clean. Then you're going to turn that in. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when washing the tiger nuts, please use salt just to purify it, considering you don't know what could have probably come over the tiger nuts in the process of drying. So yes, as soon as you're done with that, then you're going to set it aside and leave it to stay overnight. So after day 1, which is overnight, you're going to change the water. So you're going to wash the tiger nuts. You can see that it's already becoming firm. Now for somebody who is patient, then please follow me. But for somebody that is not patient, just go ahead and eat it at this point. So if you want the perfect tiger nuts, then stay with me. You're going to wash this and then add fresh water again. After doing that, you're going to cover it and let it stay overnight again. So guys, after it has stayed overnight, what you'd have in the morning would be perfectly fresh tiger nuts. I'm telling you, you'd think you just harvested them at the moment, because they'll be firm, they'll be crunchy, they'll be sweet, everything you like in tiger nuts. And that's it, DIYers. If you follow these steps, you're going to get fresh tiger nuts at your disposal. You can store this in the fridge so that it could stay fresh and good for a couple of days. And please remember to like, share our videos, and then subscribe so that you can be notified whenever our videos come up. And let me know if this is something you're going to try, and if this was helpful. Like I said, I'll see you in my next post. Bye.